This video is going to show you how to restore a backup that you've created. Say you're moving to a new computer and you want to retain all your material costs or your employee information or your customer contact info. So the first step you would do there is to go to Setup and click Backup the database. So you would back that up. You would go ahead and transfer that file to the new computer. You can email it to yourself. You could save it in Google Drive. Many different ways to do that. But now you're on the new computer and you want to load this backup that you've already created. So how do we do that? Well, let me just show you an example of how that might happen. Say you emailed the backup. And so we have this backup. So we're going to download it. And the first step is we need to figure out where is this file located at. It's probably in your downloads folder, but let's just verify. So let's click show in folder. And so now we're here in the downloads folder and we have this backup. So now we know where this file is located. It's in the downloads folder. So what are we going to do now? We're going to go back to graphixcalc. We're going to change the database location. So we click, setup database location. We're going to select a new database. Now we need to find the downloads folder. So if you scroll to the top, we see this downloads. Okay, so now we have the downloads folder, and here's the most recent. It's at my time, it's 885, 837. So this is the most recent file, so I know that's the backup file. So we're going to change the location. We're going to swap out the backup. Okay, so you see the location changed. And now you want to verify that it loaded successfully. So we need to find some, an employee list or a customer list, some data that you entered. So okay, so now we see all the different employees that we've entered. This is a unique piece of data, so now we know that we successfully loaded the backup. And so that's how you make a backup and you load it on a new computer with graphixcalc.